Yo guys, what is going on guys? Dylan677 here, coming at you guys with another YouTube video. And in today's video, we're actually going to be doing Hot Wheels unboxing on my new Hot Wheels cars that I got. So I'm going to be opening them up, showing them off, and then yeah. So let's start out with the Hot Wheels Jeep that I got here, guys. Here I have the Hot Wheels Jeep. Make sure the camera's in the right spot. So yeah, here we have the Hot Wheels Jeep. Let me actually unbox it now. Trying to get it on camera. It's kind of hard because I don't have space really. And here we have the Hot Wheels, or not the Hot Wheels, the Matchbox Jeep. It's actually way bigger in person, but it's super, super cool, guys. Yeah, this is the Matchbox Jeep that I got. It's super cool. Okay. Next up, we have the Hot Wheels Mercedes AMG GT3 2016. Let's box this car. I hate it when it does this. Here we have Mercedes AMG GT3. Super cool race car. I love this car a lot, guys. Super cool. But yeah, here it is. All its glory. Number 17 sits super low. Going on to our next car. Also, here's a rear thing. There we go. Next off, guys, we have the Mustang Custom 15 Ford Mustang. Purple. Then an L series. The Mercedes, guys, that was from the Legends of Speed series. Yeah. Oh, there it is. One of my favorite cars ever. Super cool. It has a cool sunroof kind of thing going on over there. Yeah, it looks super, super cool. Love it a lot. Next up, guys, we have the HW Exotics Lamborghini Countach police car. It's called the pace car, but yeah, same thing. Looking super cool. Love the wheels on it. Looks really mean from the front. Nice Lamborghini car. We'll be doing some reviews on it later. Next up, guys, we have the Lamborghini Aventador Mirage Homage. Super nice Aventador. Really love it. I think it's a nice car. Let's go on to the Fast and Furious series. First off, we have the Fast and Furious Nissan Skyline. There we go. That's how I want to open them. Super, super cool car, guys. Love the Skylines. Really cool. Looks just like the GTRs. But kind of like an older version. Really nice car. Last but not least, guys, we have the Lamborghini Mercy Alago from the Fast and Furious series. Super nice, aggressive, mean-looking car. But yeah, guys, those are the only cars I really have today, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And like always, let me just get all these cars set up. There we go. So you guys can all see them. So yeah, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe like always. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.